One morning, Mom gathered Hamdaan and Raania on the mat. In front of them, she placed a small tray with shiny golden beads. "Today," Mom said with a smile, "we will learn how to count from 1 to 1,000 using our golden beads." She took 9 single golden beads and carefully placed them one under the other. "Let's count together," she said. Hamdaan and Raania counted aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mum then said gently, "And one more makes 10. She removed the 9 single beads and replaced them with one 10 bead bar. "This is a 10, she explained. 10 units make one 10. Next, Mom placed 9 10 bars side by side on the mat. "Let's count the 10s, she said. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. The children counted all the way to 9 10s. Mom smiled and said, "And one more makes 100. She removed the 10s and placed 100 square in their place. "See, 10 10s make 100, she explained. Then she took 900 squares and began stacking them one on top of another. As the children counted, Mom said, "And one more makes 1,000. She showed them the big 1,000 cube made of tiny golden beads. Hamdaan and Raania looked amazed at how the small beads became something so big. The next day, Mom spread a mat again and set out all the golden beads units, 10s, 100s, and the 1,000 cube. Each child got a small tray. "Hamdaan," said Mom, "bring me 4 units." He carefully counted and placed 4 single beads on his tray. "Raania, bring me 5 10 bars." She counted 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, and carried them proudly. Then Mom said, "Now bring me 300s and 2,000s. Together they fetched the large golden squares and cubes, smiling at how strong and confident they felt. Mom clapped her hands softly. "Wonderful! You both now understand how numbers grow from one tiny bead to 1,000 shining ones." Hamdaan and Raania looked at the golden beads glowing under the light and said together, "Counting is fun with golden beads."